In this video, our major agenda is discussing about health insurance. But before that, we will even have to understand some basics of insurance. To explain what an insurance is in a simple language, insurance is like a contract between two entities where one entity insures to pay a financial compensation to the other entity in a specified situation or situations that are predetermined and agreed on by both the entities. The entity that will pay the financial compensation is the insurance company, and the entity that will pay a fixed amount to receive that financial compensation when the situation occurs is people like us. That specific situation or situations in which the financial compensation would be provided could be death of a person in case of life insurance, hospitalization of person in case of health insurance, damage to a vehicle in an accident in case of vehicle insurance, when a person loses his or her job in case of job insurance, etc. We will only be catering to health insurance and life insurance. But before that, we will discuss two key terms related to insurance that are important to understand. The first term is premium. It is the fixed amount that you have to pay to the insurance company in some interval of time in order to avail that financial compensation. The second term is cover. It is the amount of financial compensation you can or you would get when the specific situation occurs according to your policy, which is basically the contract between you and your insurance company. In insurances, there is a significant difference in the amount of premium you have to pay and the cover you get for that premium. Different people might have to pay different premiums in order to avail the same cover from the same insurance company depending on your age, lifestyle, any healthcare problems that you have, and other such factors. The more likely you are to die in the policy term, the more premium you would have to pay. So, the higher your age, the more premium you have to pay. If you indulge in activities such as smoking or chewing tobacco, then also you would have to pay more premium. If you have any health problems, you would have to pay a high premium then as well. Now we will be talking about health insurance specifically. In health insurance, your healthcare expenses are covered, which could include expenses of consulting a doctor, cost of medicines, hospitalization costs, and pre-hospitalization and post-hospitalization costs depending on your health insurance policy. Health insurance is important because if someone from your family has to get hospitalized immediately due to some health problem, the hospital bills could amount to lakhs, and if you do not have health insurance, then it could be difficult for you to bear all the medical expenses. There are different health insurance policies. There is an individual health insurance policy which covers a single person, and there is a family floater policy which covers the whole family with the same coverage amount, which means that the coverage amount would have to be shared amongst all the family members. But you should buy a different health insurance policy for your older parents. For older parents, you might prefer choosing an individual plan which could have two benefits. Firstly, they could have enough coverage which they might not have in a family floater plan, and secondly, the premium for the health insurance would not be raised for the whole family, because in a family floater plan only one premium is paid, and that premium is decided based on the age of the oldest family member. So the premium price would be higher in that case if the older parents are included in the family floater plan. Many a times the employees get health insurance through their companies, which is known as corporate health insurance. If you get the corporate health insurance plan, you might not want to buy another health insurance for yourself, but you still might want to buy a separate health insurance for your older parents so that you can ensure that there is enough coverage amount for them. Thank you for watching this video. I hope that you were able to understand what insurances are and you were able to gain valuable information about health insurance and why they are important. In the next video, we will be talking about life insurance.